omo ankasa e devotee sika edema clubs na ehu omo say on the continent when omo kono na enioma ekon kan yi pa ye blasters no adiegu now ade ekosi 2014 no ye ni hwebuada ana say no omo manage football no hu ni say is them against the media but enioma the vital points a woman media they can day in a day out no omo hu ni say omo ya agenda boys omo try say ade omo in their own right as an FA omo build there sebi omo mbia omo ni enhwe beyond the amuankasa enimninti ebre bi omo hu ni say Ghana football no yen na ye against football intimeka say so ye panyin kase ni ama opposition bia aya ade e boa ne say because of omo surround hu ni nyina ahia no ebi mu ni nyansa pa o but one person will best step on to so asema eye no kro kan te said the media yi kan bi no ebe ya wo ya amo ebe ya otamfo nti obe ya say yes sir you do nti se ye panindie to na position bi ba at the board meeting onu nkrofo hia wiase abonten the ordinary person this guy so ho na kire mu kire say issue say one ka obe ya den sir objection whatever the person says no aya ade a wo group no lack because obi esuro so beka wo na say 87.9 na GFA president ne say Ghana akobo match a group game ani akoshe Sudan nti nyuma oto ne say a normal level but papa no kwasam ne say the level you know is the level you are baby a woginain that's the true level of football association you know and who cruise na atwa wo ahia
87.9
o ya na so mbetutu ayampia so no mo se yentimi nya ne ne anu nti no obekọ World Cup wabra ebi mu share association any other bodies on the development of almost sport say ne betima ye recreative omatimi anya adwene omode beji sika free sport ni mo ono ankasa ka say creating wealth any the slogan or the year no abusu pen wanye bi da nti Kudus beji best player in a game no akwaje trophy no so ono na atete Kudus nti o deserve say opposite with that Budweiser man of the match award na Edima Kudus no is a sign of a mediocre leader.
Akoma
FM 87.9 and man kete asabi bro nya yetoma nkwara nso ani no eno ni ade ya ne fe enti na panyine no onye trophy enya AFCON waje enya World Cup final no wako enya de Morocco fu aye bi no waye enya se House of Focus antikotoko media mane aduana ebo Confederation Cup and then Champions League omoko group stage and if you are celebrating you have the right to celebrate but papa ne say team no aye friend chan no for a long time monko a chan ni bi and we ma qualify in a group with Madagascar in a group with Morocco and Sudan or lose the first game to Madagascar. When Ghanaian journalists were talking about the low level of our league, any lack of commitment, investment in the league, in Intiama League, and fantastic. The telling effect, Akopie on the continent of Africa, no. In the second game against Sudan, Sudan for lack Ludu Omo, Ghana did well by winning. Papa no Kobonyumo celebrating a mediocre victory. I don't know. Any qualification to the final. Even if no qualification to the final, that is a stage Ghana could be that the maiden edition of this competition. Yehu Ghana say yako final, losing to a very experienced side in the Congolese team. Omuji free and sem. And it's a tournament. Now to me we need game. Not the entire technical team, the entire playing body. Ane the GFA couples need to me be jina ho to nyom say unimo level apanyini no kwasem ne say anyom ne dia levels but the level na nkasa the true reflection of your level as a leader no any baby ayedri the true reflection of your leadership level a wan kasa wonim dia ane wusuban bi ne onioma bi anti Ghana wono ene se yebekọ in a group with Comoros na Comoros coach buafu so okoshe Ghana for referee wo se wapon Comoros na nka so chase so on Ghana ebobo Ghana share 5 no nya consolation all jubilate but the opposite was the situation Ghana facing and owura keto Okraku anya mensem nya kakabensem wa kire nneoma edi nyina kire se under ora kwasinya ntachi wansua hwe na wo football na ankasa wo so wakosua no se we na wakosua ya pa dia na nka konfuadu betima ya adwuma no de wu ye yi de onye obi a we fit for purpose onye obi adwuma no nimi ye na de ensa amwa wo ne se obi a wo sarande obi a no ma no position kanya bone but obi a wo de no be sarande wo be ma no position hu ni say nipa no adwuma na wo say wo ye na wo so wo ye mo wani muti
87.9
we don't give appointment to people just because we want to satisfy people. We give appointment to people because we know say they have the capacity, the ability ebetimi ma adwuma na ye no ebe blossom am obi a embrace the ye no. Enti say wo go another step further obi a be back you. But during your time, shambolic, the most shameful part of Ghana football, the period of Ghana football, on-field performance. I keep on saying, when you're the genesis of the problems of Ghana football, but you have been with the group and also BB, not the Oceano, who impacted positively.
87.9.
But from the time I had Bedru say no, it clearly shows it says, I wouldn't she. Na niete meyama jimedi say every whole elections no kura vote by because no meyama jimedi ade amanfo speculate meyama jimedi because ni awo ye for Ghana football no ade a anya nokre nyame anim abusuapanyin abofno na asefem but say unim sabi nyansa pi na why wadwen say ubetie nyansa sem na why wadwen say ubedwen ahwe kan a anka we take a retrospective assessment of adwuma waye no na wakɔhye dan ba ko bi mu senye sika na obepeye na ye the development of Ghana football so odi beduru ba bi dia then I also opet dan bi mu hye na usu because you are a failure and because monwen hwe kan you know say you can always meander your way through with nkrofo mo di football ye chi asabi utie bi mu analysis discussion on football uti mu say enipa we say then or friend who say football person obi timi kasa na park na nya no ball no ya mo anwie obi timi kasa asema mo kan me hwe me Nigeria movie such people our Ghana football mu call themselves football people je buja panyin pempe no asema yes ni pen ni say it's about time the government of Ghana say so timi spend trillions on two national teams na entimi mfa kuraba chimba pot entimi mbra wo de a de nyansa bia nim se nkrofo no begya o mo so o mo nto aso nyansa bia nim se wo jai football no mo so o mo nim football nti o mo na wose ye mo ye go and talk to FIFA me se no mo ye mensam say interference ye be bande ye badade ye see ye during the normalization process ne kire say FIFA no kura wo the credence kura ma the nation the government of that nation and the FIFA no independent body sir na nko siki the approval of any president before hosting tournament e wo bi kuro inti baby ye duru no levels no mo level ani wo mo ntimi nko suru biem abuja panyi si e pre esuru ade a sebi ekwati anko hobi into wo mo level no di wo mo da form team enti ya government should knock at the quarters of FIFA katro mo say cruise no mo okro mo ye football no sika o ma spend no sika ne timi develop football na mo hwe Comoros hwe Madagascar hwe Mauritius ne nioma o mo ye countries bia na nke ye rank o mo anai o mo original ye konso enti ya enim guase it's about time o mo exception sani ye be ya mo betime develop mo football no because o mo di akire nyina they are men with pot belly triple chin but they lack the wisdom they lack the intelligence Akoma need the moral right to steer the affairs of Ghana football. And he say nane amponsa player I am mo say nana odro safu player dia I am friend no say ya Gama player dia nti say then yeti kroma na Emmanuel Avanyo na ye wo Clinton Diodu e wo kroma ye wo Francis Twene e wo kroma ye wo quality players are omaya consistent from last season
87.9
Justice blame Mubo League ibi na ye see ye Ghana players are represent your China yes ya fra obi wan otu wey abedu ukwani team at division 1 no kura busu apanyu dreams no one starting game but on the bigger stage onu na ye call onu so o may redeemer onji yin sabi panyini no omo dama nya bro such people we can't continue say yemfa football ne momo nti abusu apanyu media meka ne say government sabe interfere ama normalization abemu a the thing wasn't normalized adiana ya normalize enye it's about time also omusa abemu biem because you are twice ma a year ministry ni we akom ntoma abo ano See, ye did trillions. Ye did trillions. On my emu young guys in ye hook up. Don't want ye hook up. On my obi sorry at the obedi credit. On my mate if one passengers say cocoins who are our trotrum. Ye did trillions our football. Wabra ye ni a befitting infrastructure. On my stadium, this year my shatawale din Nadia Brani Besisi so and Sani Ajikakra. Some man spending trillions on two national teams.
FM 87.9 Kumasi.
The only rewards and award they bet me a celebrity. Aye, mediocre. And it's all beji will be man of the match award. Oh, say omo ba World Cup. Jamal Musiala no we saying. Well, your young boy. Germany from na crowd no soon. They didn't celebrate. Woman him say a failure. No, my what him call World Cup quarterfinals. Now about World Cup. Now watch one game. You have a game to qualify. Now no GFA president couple. I was saying president ni nya that for mo. Ana yen changing in the chairman. Because president the nya the mo biasa
that title president no.
Enya the mo biasa o.
Omo exhibiting yansasem BS offering the president.
Now me personally, I'm not surprised about the results. I idea me MVCG said this is how it's going to end. Not because I'm a Ghana, but me say no credit football. The eye and the idea football. The selflessness idea football. Say regardless of baby and nipa ni free. So what the quality of it man bo mine na man opportunity no. Anya adwuma ho. Blasters na sa na kosi ye. Inti ehu players bia ye de omo ko World Cup no. Ye nyina ye ka so
Akoma FM
at the time and Ghana here a point to qualify. They still gambled because it was their player. So it's not the interest of Ghana. It was because they want to showcase certain players. Send your baby chire the who on be fe chire ko twadi as their agents. So Mr. President, mo amo can be ye. There be o man na duru no. E say le wa o. Ebi mo de ye o ma de di nyo mo personal gains. But se sa na mbe ya. Eya na me pese the spiritual aspect of a nipa nature neba na nka abosomfo ni wo mu o be toy for Ghana no. They have to rise up. Because the cruise way ye pa de sa na nkroma be ya. Em sa na nka ya ka ye o prosper ho.
87.9 Kumasi.
Ye Ghana yi wo mu ye ni sesei in terms of all spheres of Ghana. Bibia ye basa but ye de ye circles ni football. But baby I could do no. You can't the pain what's in the pain. It's about time that the government steps in. See a better normalization it should be the right step. And your idea says here because women they have nothing proper to offer Ghana football.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi. Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.